How to receive money with RIA. We have cash pickup, bank, or mobile wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into on how you can receive money with RIA money transfers. So whether you're getting funds via cash pickup, bank deposit, mobile wallet, or even home delivery, I'll walk you through each method step by step so you can access your money fast and safely. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, we have the options to review. Number one, we have RIA supports multiple ways to receive funds, but the options can go ahead and vary by country to country. So, the most common one is the cash pickup at a RIA agent. We have bank deposit straight into your bank account. We have the mobile wallet transfers, home delivery in selected countries only, and lastly, we have the ATM withdrawal via Visa Direct when available. Now, we have the cash pickup, which is easy and quick. Perfect if you or your recipient prefers cash. You just want to wait for the sender's PIN and notification. From there, you can then go ahead and visit a RIA agent location via the application or website. So from here, you can just go ahead and click on find a location. And from there, you then want to visit a RIA agent location. Show your ID and PIN. And lastly, you can then receive your cash instantly. You can just make sure to go ahead and bring the perfect or correct ID like passport and driver's license. Now, another method is the bank deposit, which is safe and direct. You want to make sure that your sender select bank deposits, and then sender asks for your full name, bank name, account number, and lastly the SWIFT-BIC. Wait for 1 to 4 business days for money to hit your account. You can then check your balance in your bank account and then RIA notifies once deposited. Now, with this method, it's fast, secure, and no extra steps required on your end. You just have to wait for the sender to receive the money, or send the money. Another option is the mobile wallet. It's ideal in regions where mobile wallet is popular. So you just want to go ahead and make sure that your sender selects mobile wallet option. They can then enter your mobile wallet number, and then money posts instantly or within minutes or dash passengers. From there, you get a notification in your wallet application that you have received your money. No cash, no bank, just instant digital transfers. Now, another option is the home delivery. It is the most convenient one. It's only available in selected countries like Philippines or Morocco. The sender chooses home delivery. You then receive a PIN plus notification, and then money arrives at your doorstep via the RIA partner. You can enjoy cash without ever leaving home. It's great for those who can't visit agent locations. From there, another method is the Visa Direct or ATM withdrawal. In some countries, for example Mexico, this option right here is applicable. The sender chooses Visa Direct or ATM payout. You then want to input your Visa debit number, funds transferred into your card, and from there you can then withdraw it at an ATM like any debit transaction. Now, it is the quickest way if you want instant ATM access. Now, from there we can track your received status. Now, there's no guessing, we can track it easily. You can just use RIA application or website, and from here you then simply want to click on track a transfer. Now, inside this page, you then want to enter the transfer PIN. You can get real-time updates like ready for pickup, deposited, or sent. You or the recipient gets notified via SMS or email. It's clear and transparent. Let's also talk about some common issues when dealing with RIA money. Now, you always want to double check name, account, or wallet details. You want to use correct ID for pickup. If the bank deposit is delayed, you want to confirm sender used the correct information. You can track via the application. Delays often show status. And from there, we can contact RIA support for assistance. Let's also talk about some pros and cons. Now, for pros, you have multiple delivery options. It's fast, minutes for cash or wallet, and days for bank. We have global reach in 190 plus countries, and they have transparent tracking. For cons, not all options is available in every country. Bank deposits can take a few days. And lastly, fees and exchanges rates may vary, so you want to check before you send. Once again, you have cash pickup at a RIA agent. Now to go ahead and look at the possible locations, you can just head over to the RIA money transfers, and from here, you then want to click on track a transfers. Now, this is really easy because all you have to do is to go ahead and look for a RIA agent and you should be good to go. For bank deposit, you don't have to do anything on your end, but you have to make sure that your sender enters the correct bank information. For mobile wallet, it's relatively easy. Once again, you don't have to do anything on your end. You just have to make sure that they have entered the correct mobile wallet number. For home deliveries, it's only in selected countries. Once again, the most famous countries that uses this method is Morocco and Philippines. And the last method is the ATM withdrawal via Visa Direct when available. Now, all of this method right here will be able to go ahead and send you notifications, so you will be updated on every time the money moves. So you want to go ahead and navigate through the application or website right here to go ahead and track your transfers easily. Just enter your PIN tracking number and you should be good to go. Now, that's how you receive money with the RIA. Cash pickup, it's fast as in person. Bank deposit, it's secure and direct. For mobile wallet, you have quick digital access. For home delivery, you can quickly receive your cash at your own door. And for Visa and ATM, you have instant ATM withdrawal where it's available. And so that's everything you need to know about RIA money transfers and how you can receive your money safely. If this video helped you out, hit that like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what option you used. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching.